been briefed about the space being remodeled to create a boutique hotel.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Carter County, Johnson County, northern Sullivan County, southwestern Russell County in southwestern Virginia, eastern Scott County in southwestern Virginia, southern Washington County in southwestern Virginia, the city of Bristol in southwestern Virginia, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kingsport, Bristol, Tennessee, Bristol, Virginia, Abingdon, Mountain City, Gate City, Webb.